at the spaghetti. It's green, it's gorgeous. It's homemade spinach pasta with pesto, and yes, I said spaghetti, because sometimes you just want those long, twirlable strands of pure deliciousness. Let's cook, and I promise, by the time we're done, you'll understand why this dish has survived centuries. First, spinach. Here's the problem. Spinach is mostly water wearing a green costume. If you put that water into your dough, you'll get a sticky, tragic mess. So we cook it first, just until it wilts. Then ice water. This shocking locks in the color. It's what Italian grandmothers have done for generations in Emilia-Romagna, where fresh egg pasta was born. Gluten is your friend. It gives pasta that perfect al dente bite. That dry spinach goes into a food processor with eggs, yolks, and olive oil. Blitz until it looks like liquid jade. Pour into a well of flour, a technique from the ancient sfogline women who do this by feel, not measurements. Mix until shaggy, then knead for 8 minutes. The dough starts stiff and suspicious, but becomes silky and cooperative. Wrap it. Rest it 30 minutes. This isn't a nap, it's gluten relaxation. Science. While it rests, pesto. The name comes from pestâ, meaning to pound, because in Liguria they did this in marble mortars. We're using a processor because we're modern and our wrists are weak. Toast walnuts until fragrant. This triggers the Maillard reaction, fancy talk for makes things taste way better. Basil, garlic, nuts, pulse, slowly drizzle, olive oil to emulsify. This creates a water and oil suspension. Fancy science, tastes like summer. Add parmesan, lemon, salt, pepper. The lemon stops oxidation, keeps it green. The Romans would approve. Roll your dough thin, run it through the spaghetti cutter. Watch those green strands emerge like pasta magic. Cook in salted water, salty as the sea, as they say in Italy, for 2 to 3 minutes. Fresh pasta is impatient. It cooks fast and forgives slowly. Reserve pasta water. That starchy gold binds sauce to noodles through emulsification. Toss spaghetti with pesto and a splash. Watch it cling. Take a bite. The spaghetti is tender with perfect chew. The pesto is bright and garlicky with nutty whispers and a salty parmesan kiss. It tastes like sunlight, like Italy hired a really good interior designer. Making pasta from scratch takes a little effort, but this is edible art you can twirl on a fork. This is Food Illustrated, and as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.